We will install the enclosure in this video, and we will use the following parts: the core machine, the battery, front bezel, the apron, the back skirt, the silicon base, the side handle rings, and the screws. Let's start. First, we install the battery front bezel. Put the front bezel on the right position, align the screw holes and lock them with screws. Second, install the back skirt and the apron. Hold the apron with your hand and use the back skirt to press the opening. Align the screw holes. Use T8 screws to lock them, like this. Third, put on the silicon base and lock it in place with a T8 screw with a spacer. It will be finished like this. Fourth, install the side handle rings with special screws. It is like this. Fifth, install the heater cover. Press the plastic cover into the heater opening. It is like this. Sixth, labeling of the products. Paste the label on the back. It is finished like this. We are done.